In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the system from scratch. First, plug the square end of the USB cable into the back of the receiver, and then plug the flat end of the USB cable into the USB port on the computer. Lights on the front of the receiver will signify that the receiver is being powered up. Now that the receiver is plugged into the computer, we can open up the Optivote software. Double-click on the Optivote icon on the desktop. You'll now be presented with a profile logon screen. If this is the first time you've used Optivote, we suggest that you create yourself a new profile. To do this, type your profile name in at the bottom of the screen. Click on Add New, and you'll see that your profile name has been added. Now click on Administration. The first time that Optivote opens up under a new profile, you'll be asked to register the software. If you have been provided with a license number, then enter it in the boxes at the top. If your system has been delivered without a license number, and in more cases than not that will be the case, then you've got no need to enter the license number. The license number will only unlock additional features that some customers purchase. Take your time to complete the registration screen and click on Register. In this instance, I'm not going to complete any details because I'm not connected to the internet. To do this, tick Do Not Show this screen automatically and click on Save. I'm now prompted to register my details, which I'm now going to say No. Once the registration screen is complete, the Optivote software will try and detect which port the receiver is plugged into. In this scenario, we're using the Optivote RF8 receiver and the RF8 handsets. And you can see here I have the option to enter the channel, which can be found on the back of one of the handsets. I'm using channel D, so I enter D into the channel box. If you're using infrared handsets, you'll only see the top part of this screen, and you'll simply need to click on OK once the receiver has been detected. I'm now going to click on OK, and that will take me to my main screen. To create my first database, I go to the File menu, select New, and then Database. I now get to create my database name. The database is a very generic file, so the database name can be something that suits your environment. So let's say I was a science teacher, and I'll call my database Science, and click on Save. The database has now been created, and we can enter our content and classes.